Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. We are cleaning the jets in my tub. So I have a jetted bathtub and I usually clean the jets with just like some bleach. You know, I put the bleach in there and turn the jets on and let it, you know, kind of do its thing. But I was on a hunt for a real good jet cleaner because in my personal opinion, I'm like, that's not enough. Like, I just feel like it's not cleaning it good enough. You know what I'm saying? So I went on a hunt, aka I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I was looking for me a good jet cleaner. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos and I ended up finding one. All right, this lady, she used this jet cleaner. It's called Oh Yuck and you get it from Amazon. All right, and when I tell you it cleaned those jets out, okay, I said, see, I knew that bleach was not enough because it got all the guck out of her stuff. All right, so like I said, I usually just run bleach through it, but I know that was not cleaning it good enough, at least not for me. So I bought this stuff and now I'm about to try it out, see how it works. I was like, duh, YouTube, hello, somebody else might be looking for the same thing and I'm the plug because they plugged me, so now I gotta plug y'all, you know what I'm saying? So we are going to try this Oh Yuck jetted bathtub cleaner today. All right, so I got the package in the mail like on Monday. Today is what's today Sunday. I've been waiting to do this. I haven't had a chance to do it during the week because, you know, work and things like that. So today is the day. I'm actually so excited to see what's about to come out these jets. I've seen the magic it does and I'm ready. Alright, so it says fill the tub up past the jets with hot water. Okay, did that, check. Okay, alright. And then it says pour 4 ounces of this into the tub. Doesn't smell bad. I don't know why I expected it to smell bad just because the name of it is Oh Yuck. Alright, but anyway, it says pour 4 ounces of this into the tub and then you let the jets run for 15 minutes. All right, so let's pour some of this stuff in here. I'm just gonna pour, y'all. No cap. I'm just gonna pour because I want it clean. All right, that should be enough. All right, wait. All right, okay. And now it says turn the jets on. First of all, I'm gonna put this shower curtain in here because that thing be splashing. All right, and it says let that go for 15 minutes. It's gonna get loud, y'all. Oh, maybe it won't splash, so maybe I don't need to put my shower curtain in there. Oh my goodness, y'all, I cannot wait for this to be done because I want to see what's gonna come out of these jets. Okay, but anyway, it say do that for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna come back. Low-key, I already see it pushing stuff out and it's only been a minute. Oh my goodness. All right, so be back in 15 minutes. Okay, we are back. This is after like 20 minutes. This stuff running through. This is what came out. Okay, I mean, that's not too bad. I guess the bleach was helping a little bit, but actually I'm gonna let this water out and I'm gonna run it again. All right, but this is what it's looking like so far. That's what came out the jets right now. Okay, so I'm gonna let this out. I really would not like to put my hand in there. Let me see what I can find to let this water out. Found this little painter stick. That's what I'm about to use to let this out because I'm not putting my hand down up in here. Gotta find the thing. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna let this out and then I'm gonna do it once more just to make sure. So, BRB.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's all done. This is after I cleaned my tub and everything. I showed you guys what it looked like once I turned the jets and stuff off. I imagined it being more that came out, but maybe my drains just wasn't as dirty as that other lady's because she had max stuff coming out of those jets. So maybe the bleach run through that I do be helping it out a little bit. All right, because to me that wasn't bad, but I am happy that I gave the product a try. I will be using it again. So if you're looking for a good jet cleaner, I recommend this one. It's like I said, the Oh Yuck. I got it off Amazon, and yeah, I will say it did a pretty good job. I'm feeling more comfortable about my jets being clean right now. Okay, but yeah, that lady jets, whoa. Okay, if she did it twice like I did, well, I did it like she did, but both times it has so much stuff coming out of it. And I'm just like, So I'm not gonna lie, I was looking forward to be so much more stuff that came out, but it wasn't a lot, and I'm happy about that. That lets me know that the bleach is doing its job, and I'm keeping it cute, keeping it clean. All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. If you are somebody who was looking for some jet cleaning products, I would say try this one out. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. Yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you share the video with your friends, leave a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell on if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't, but you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey, also I got some new subbies, so hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Hope you love it here. You will love it here. Anyway, that's all for this video. Till next time, peace.